YouTube, what's good, baby? It's your boy J Spikes, man. Y'all know what go down over here in this front yard gang. It's your favorite front yard boy on YouTube, man. It's your boy J Spikes, man. Welcome back to the channel, all my OGs, and welcome in this thing to all my new people. You feel me? Hey, man. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It's free. It don't take no money. It don't take no time. It don't take no energy. If you want to always get notified when I drop some of this good old front yard content, some of this good old wheel turning action, hey man, just hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that notification bell so it always automatically puts you in that automatic notification gang. You feel me? And if you like any of my content, man, that you never watch, seriously, just go ahead and like the video. And if you got any questions, comments, or opinion, man, listen. Don't be shy, baby. We all grown around here. That's what my analytics say. I ain't got nobody younger than 25 watching my channel, and I really appreciate that. You feel me? But anyway, yeah, we got a bunch of content going on today, man. I'm steady trying to upgrade. I'm steady trying to get these cars to where I want them to be. And we got to crawl, we got to walk, we got to jump, we got to run. So y'all stay tuned. I'm finna turn this camera around and get this thing rolling. Watch this heat. All right, y'all. We're going to deal with Big X today. We're going to deal with Big X today. As y'all know, ooh, that wall boy almost got me. As y'all know, we finna LS swap this thing. Big 60 1280, you know what I'm saying? This is my 1998 Chevy Silverado 3500 Dudley, aka Big X, you feel me? And as I promised, man, and everybody that know that been watching my channel, they already know I try not to sell no wolf tickets, and anything that I say, I try to make sure I do on this channel. But yeah, man, we moving on along. We got a lot of stuff to do to this truck, man. We got to put a new hood on this truck. We're gonna put the cow hood. We got to put the smoother front bumper with the lower valance. We already did the lights. We got that big Tierra grill. Shout out to Tony every time, baby. Big Tierra grill. I'm like the 4th or 5th person in the world to have one of these on a 90 model Chevrolet. You feel me? This the 2nd truck I done put that grill on. You feel me? But yeah, man, Big X been doing pretty good, man. It's dusty. It's dirty out here. We got to get that panoramic roof put in. We got to put them stars in there. We got a bunch of billet stuff. We're going to put them electric step bars on this thing. Big 24s I'm going to put on it. We got a lot of stuff we're going to do to this truck to make it show worthy when it comes to pulling ice spice. You feel me? Ooh, that's my baby right there. But anyway, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be attacking this rear end today. Y'all see this rear bumper? I like the rear bumpers that come on the 88 to 90, 99 trucks, but I always like these bumpers here that came on the newer model trucks. You feel me? Now this bumper here, I paid $100 for it. It got a little ding there. I knocked it out a little bit, but I'm gonna finish it once I get it on the truck, because getting it on the truck is more work than getting that ding out. But yeah, this thing here got 2 big dings in it that you'll never get out. It got one there. It got 2 hard ones right there and a big one right there that you will never get out, because this steel is way harder than this. I can deal with this better than I can deal with that, and it looks better. So, you know, I gotta do that. I'm finna get on here and get that going. And this is what we're working with. We got the brackets under there, and I'm gonna just see, man, what I'm gonna have to do to get this bump on here. So I'm finna get my mat, get up under there, and I'll bring y'all back when I figure some stuff out. Y'all watch this eat. I'm trying to get it going down around here. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Back to the bumper. Quick little update. I just got all the bolts out, and the bolts are 18 millimeter. So I got my old Milwaukee out. You know what I'm saying? Not sponsored. Got my ratchet Icon, not sponsored. But I got all the bolts knocked out. You can see the bolts down there. I got all the bolts out for the driver's side, all the bolts out for the passenger side. So now, let's see if this thing will come off easily, or am I gonna have to do a bunch of, you know what I'm saying, different crap to get this thing out. Let me get y'all set up on the tripod, and we'll see together. You feel me? Yeah, y'all can see that. Alright. supposed to be raining like crazy and all kind of stuff today, so it's a little easy. Let's just see if it'll slide out. Got a bolt in there. Alright. Still got my tag light wires hooked up, so I gotta be careful with that. And my finger. Do my tag light bolt, we good on that. Alright. Boom. That's perfect. Alright, that's perfect, y'all. That's perfect, you feel me? Now I'm gonna see if this other bumper line up. That's what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna leave this thing right here. That way, if it don't line up, if I can't get it on there, I could go ahead and put my factory bumper back on. I ain't gonna be riding with no booty hole cheeks out like that. Absolutely not. Oh, Dooley look good under that frame, pretty solid. Yes, sir. So let's see if this other bumper match up at all to the brackets before we get to figuring out how we gonna really do this, because I'm gonna have to weld it. See what I'm saying? Know y'all fight me a little bit. All right, y'all, I finally got that thing on there. It ain't on there, but it's just sitting up there. I got it mocked up. I'm doing my little testing and I'm doing my little fitment to see exactly where I want it to sit at. Well, come on, man, y'all see that in the picture, man. Y'all see that in the middle of the camera, man. Y'all see that in the middle of the camera, man. That looks way better, man. That looks 2 times better, even with the ding, man. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do some welding. I'm about to do a little custom fabrication with my brackets, because them brackets do not line up with that old school 90 model 98 model frame. It's about 1.5 inches away from the frame. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got in mind on doing with that. But you see, I gotta get my my old tag light harness off. It runs over here and it runs to the other side, and it connects right there. And that sun gonna connect right there on that, right there in the middle of the screen, that pigtail there. Then you got this thing here, and instead of being bolted on the bottom of the bumper, I'm gonna be able to put this that heavy duty trailer plug. I'm gonna be able to put that in there. They already got LEDs inside of here for the tag light. All I gotta do is plug mine up and put my tag here, and we'll be good. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm making progress, man, and it looks a lot better. Y'all don't know how long I wanted to do this, and I wanted to do this 2014 step bumper conversion on half cast, but I never got a chance to do it, man. But man, these bumpers are just amazing, man. I like these bumpers, man. These are the best bumpers they ever made. Chevy, period. And it fits the truck. I think it actually fits the dually better than it would have fit that extended cab, just because of the hips. Give it a little extra clearance, you know what I'm saying? But let me take you up under here in case y'all boys planning on doing this little swap. Let the camera clear up a little bit. And you see the bracket right there? It's the bracket go to the bumper. You know what I'm saying? It come up and it come over. And this is where your old bumper butt mounted to it. And if you see right here, it's about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches away from the frame. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get ready to cut me out some L brackets. Then I'm gonna pull the bumper back off, clean all these slag and stuff up off this old bracket, and yeah, I'm gonna cut these nuts off. It's a nut up there on the inside and a nut right here on the inside. I'm gonna cut those off so I can get some flush mount activity going on. And yeah, man, we're gonna weld that thing up, and it shouldn't go nowhere after that, because we got the tow hitch right here that anything I'm towing off a bumper gonna be towed off the tow hitch. So I'm not really tripping off of if the bumper is able to be sturdy enough to hold such and such amount of pounds, because all it gotta hold is me and my family jumping up and down on it, like I said, because I got the tow hitch right there. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm working on it. I got me some angle iron over here, some old angle iron, and I'm finna see if I can come up with me some L brackets and weld them on there and get my bumper sturdy as I can get it. Y'all stay tuned. Watch this heat, baby. Playing no games. Upgrade after upgrade. Watch this heat, god damn it. Watch this heat. All right, y'all. Quick little update on the bumper. Man, I done fitted this bumper like 3 or 4 times and seen what I had to do to it. So I done grinded all those old weld spots off of it. You know what I'm saying? I done cleaned it up, cut the bolt spots off of it. I notched it on the frame where I feel like where it need to be notched it on my frame. You know what I'm saying? To fit perfectly and to fit snug. And y'all done got my cracker box welder out here. I got me a couple 70-18 rods, and I'm about to get to work, man. I done had it jacked up. You know what I'm saying? Got old perp out here. I done had it jacked up. I done fitted it, man. I done played with it, and now I think it's time for me to go ahead and start welding my first bracket on here. And then I'm gonna fit it, and then I'm gonna try it again, and I'm gonna weld my other bracket on here. But I just want to update y'all real quick and show y'all what I had going on. But yeah, you see I done cleaned it up, trimmed it up. I notched it. I cut the bolt off of it, because it had a bolt here just like this where you bolt on the original truck could come off of. So I cut that bolt off, notched it, cleaned all them old wheels off of it from the truck it was modified for. And you see what I got going on. Did the same thing over here, but I got me a little L bracket. I'm finna weld on there, and when I put it on the truck, I'm gonna weld right here. I'm gonna weld on the outside to the truck. So yeah, that's what I'm finna get ready to do now. Y'all just stay tuned, baby. It's finna go down. I got my little welder out here. Got me a couple rods. I might need more than that. Got my gloves. Got my little old hood. My little old ghetto hood. And it's about to go down. Y'all watch this heat. I'll get it on there in a minute, baby. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, next morning on the bumper, I got the other bracket welded on this morning. Well, about 30 minutes ago, I just went and took a break. But I got that thing welded on. I was dumping the wheels in there. I just wanted to be strong. I'm not a welder, but I definitely got it on there. You feel me? But now, what I'm finna do is I'm finna go ahead and slide it back up here and do my last little fitment. If it fit, I'm gonna go ahead and tack it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll bring y'all back in just a second. I just want to give y'all a quick little updates the next day. And I'm not playing no games. I am getting it in on this pretty day. Y'all watch this heat. I ain't playing no games. Woo. All right, y'all. I got the bumper all welded up. Got it on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stop playing them games. Y'all see what's up. Tell me they don't look better, guys. Ooh, quit playing them games. Oh, subscribe to the channel, man. Ooh. Let me show y'all in there. I'll show y'all my little brackets and my little wheels. That's my little brackets and my little wheels. So what I need to do now is I need to get my trailer plug. I need to get it put in the bumper, and I need to fix my my tailgate light, and I need to hook up my tag lights. So I gotta go take my tag light. I gotta go take my tag light bracket. I mean on this off of this bumper here and put it on the new bumper. I really should have did it before, but I gotta take this off so I can have tag lights. So yeah, y'all. Watch this heat. I'm gonna do them last few things and we're gonna be in the game. I also had to notch my bumper right here just a little bit. So I wanna put that trailer light plug. I wanna put it right there, and I wanna get my tag lights working. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook them up and my third light. Watch this heat. We ain't playing absolutely no games around here in this front yard. Watch this heat, baby. Ooh wee.